My name is JB. I'm French. I'm sorry, I don't really speak English very well. I don't have a lot of jokes. But for you tonight, impressions. Thank you. A dog. Thank you. A door. Thank you. The dog and the door. Thank you. You know what is that cool when you do stand-up on sound effects? You can make any opening you want. Like a cop opening. He's a cop. He's in New York. Move, motherfucker! In the streets, he is the law. Yeah. On the AIDS dog. Hola, señor. He hates Mexican too. Bonjour, je suis français. He hates everybody. Oh my God, it is JB. I can make a Chinese cop movie opening. Oh yeah, police! High Zeus comedy show! I can make a Russian cop movie opening! Gavarish! Please don't kill my baby! You are Mr. Perkovich? No! Ah, sorry, wrong house. You know, people ask me, do you use your sound effect in real life? And I love using my sound effect with my daughter because I recently became a dad. Oh, thank you. Thank you. If you clap, you have kids. Moron! You have kids? Yeah, we love them, huh? But sometimes we just want to kill them, huh? Yeah, exactly. When they cry at 4 in the morning, like, you know... You just want to take his little head and... But you can't, because we love them. And I love using my sound effect to feed my daughter, you know, because it's boring to feed a baby, you know, you're like, 1 spoon for mommy. I feed her like Star Wars style, like... Open your mouth. And I also love using my sound effect, you know, when people can't see me, you know, at phone, when salesmen phone at home. I love doing that, using my sound effect, you know, like... Yes, you are Mr. Mazoyer. What's my name? Yes, you have 1 minute. Yes. I have question for you. Daddy, shh, go to your room. Daddy, go to your room. Daddy, go to your room, motherfucker! Finish him! And you know, the guy is surprised, like, did I disturb you? No, that's okay. I want to kill everybody in his family. No, I kill you. I don't give a shit, I am French. No, please. I pee on you. Yes, what do you want? No, that's okay, I'll call back tomorrow. You know, sometimes you have to make fun yourself, you know. You can all do that, you know, when salesmen phone at home. For example, what's your name? Garcia? ¿De dónde vienes? Claro que hablo español, joder, eh? Soy un gringo del barrio. Imagine the phone at your house, just do that, you know, like... Yes, you're Mr. Garcia. You say, I will find you, and I kill you. No, that's okay. You know, it's hard to be a father, you know? It's hard to be a father, yeah? You remember the worst part is the pregnancy period. You remember the pregnancy period? It's your wife? Yeah, you sure? Okay. You remember during the pregnancy period what happened? She changed. She changed in her head like... You remember? And she changed in her body like... You want to have a good pregnancy period, guys? Just one word, hide. Hide, 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 hide. And when the pregnancy wife arrives, and trust me, you will see her arrive like... Hungry! What do? Hide, exactly! Behind the door, in the microwave, cling, you know? And you try to distract her attention like... Meow! Meow! Cat! Eat the cat! And after, what do? No, leave! Oh, it's soon my time. Okay, just to finish the set, do you want a big ending? Do you want we make a big ending together? Yeah? Okay, give me 3 movies. Quick, give me one movie, Nacho guy. Okay, what? Die Hard. Okay, give me one movie. Terminator. Die Hard. Give me one movie. Rush Hour. Okay. Only really smart movie, okay? We are in America, yeah! Die Hard, Terminator, Rush Hour for you tonight. He's in the Nakatomi Plaza. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker! My shoes! I don't have shoes! Who are you?
I'm back from the past of the future.
I don't understand.
Me too, I don't give a shit.
You kill me! Lee, we have to go to save him! Never touch the radio of a black man! Don't give a shit, man! Thank you, that's my time. You were great, America. Thank you very much.